Hey there, I'm Jason Katzenbach, CEO and co-founder of Amazing.com.
And I'm Cherie Yvette, a leading Amazon advertising expert. Welcome back to the second video in our free training series, teaching you how to gain mastery over Amazon sponsored ads.
If you've not already watched the first video in this series, where we cover how to deal with the crowded Amazon marketplace and win, you're going to want to do that now. Please stop this video and click the link above to watch that video. If you've already watched video 1, then you're in the right place.
In video 1, we talked about the increasing competition on Amazon and how to cut through the crowd and how to quickly get velocity and rankings for your sponsored ads to beat out your competitors. Today, I'll be sharing with you my proven strategy for staying ahead of the constant algorithm changes on Amazon and how to structure your sponsored ads campaigns for easier management, saving you a ton of time and money.
Please make sure you stay until the end of this video because Cherie is going to give you the campaign structure that currently works best with the algorithm to get the most traffic at the best price so you can scale profitably. Cherie, take it away.
This is the Dodge City Peace Commission, a group of lawmen assembled by Bat Masterson and Wyatt Earp. Dodge City was the center of commerce in the 1870s and was known as the wickedest town in the West. Dodge was a den of thieves and rowdy cowboys and cutthroats passing through from the Texas Cattle Trail. Bat Masterson and Wyatt Earp led the charge for frontier justice, and in the end, the bad men proved to be not quite so bad when they went up against the Peace Commission. You'll find that the majority of your Amazon competition isn't really a threat, especially when you put law and order on your side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to structure your advertising campaigns to preserve the peace in your business. Now, these are the lifetime stats in one of my accounts. This is an incredibly competitive market, and I've been able to secure the top ad positions for nearly 2 years. Now, here is the same campaign year to date, and you can see that my ACoS and my average CPC have stayed pretty much the same year over year. In fact, total sales have grown 3x on the same ASINs, and we are profitable. When you create good campaign structure and win with the algorithm, it doesn't matter how much the market changes or how many new competitors enter the space. When you have strong sales history, your campaigns will continue to rank, scale, and perform profitably. Bat Masterson was always on the right side of the law. He was famous among other lawmen for his steady nerves and coolness in times of danger. And like Bat, we're going to make the law our #1 priority and show the algorithm that our ads will consistently click and convert better than our competitors. Amazon is moving at the pace of a locomotive, and every time the train stops, there's always a new batch of cowboys, crooks, and cons looking to take your business. And the key to success with Amazon advertising is to establish a high quality score long before these bad men show up. So winning with the algorithm makes your competition less of a threat because in the end, it's the algorithm that chooses the winners and the losers. It is the peacemaker. So anytime something isn't working in your campaigns, it's almost always a structure issue. I've never met a competitor that can't be beat with better strategy and better campaign structure. Most people just throw time and money at their advertising campaigns, which isn't sustainable on a personal or a business level. And with advertising, the right technique can save you a ton of time and money. So we're going to start out by selecting our most profitable keywords that have high sales volume. We're going to run a recent search term report, and we're going to sort that report by campaign and then by orders, highest to lowest. Next, we're going to select the keywords that are driving the highest number of sales profitably. Now within that, we're looking for seed keywords, right, in that report. We're not looking for search terms. We're not looking for the long tail. We're looking for the short tail, 2 to 3 keyword phrases that have been proven to convert profitably for us because we're looking for volume and we're looking for velocity. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate those keywords into their single keyword ad groups. And we're going to segment each ad group by match type with one keyword. So for example, if you're advertising on red bandana, you would have a red bandana broad ad group, and you would have a red bandana phrase ad group. And then each ad group would only contain the keyword red bandana. Now, you don't want to segment all of your keywords into single ad groups, only the top 20%, just the keywords driving the majority of your orders. Initially, you shouldn't have any more than, say, 6 to 8 single keyword ad groups in a product campaign. Okay, so when you separate your top performing keywords into single ad groups, they're going to get significantly more traffic. And your broad and your phrase match keywords are going to mine new long tail search terms for you, which is going to power your keyword discovery process. So this campaign structure eliminates the guesswork from extensive keyword research or selection and allows you to target keywords that are proven to convert to sales. So every single month, you're going to mine your search term report for these new long tail keywords that are generated from your single groups. And this will provide you with dozens, and depending on the product, sometimes hundreds of new keyword variations each and every month that are proven to convert to sales. So I like to add these search terms to my campaigns after they've produced 2 or more orders. Now you segment these new search terms as exact match into their own ad group. I call this ad group scale. So this is my search strategy. So when it comes to keyword-based search traffic, about 80% or more of my total orders and revenue are driven from single keyword ad groups and my scale ad groups. And that's across all campaigns, all products, all accounts. So it's kind of a nice cycle. Once again, when you separate your high volume keywords into single ad groups, they'll perform significantly better. And then you're going to get higher relevance scores, higher click-through rates, and conversion rates. And then when you continually add these long tail keywords that are proven to convert to sales into another ad group, you strengthen your sales history, your ad rank, and you start to drive organic growth and visibility. So far you've learned how to rank your ads in the top position and how to structure your campaigns to hold those positions. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to manage your advertising costs to make your campaigns more profitable. Okay, so on this strategy that you're going to implement today, here is another note that's very important. Don't pause any of your existing campaigns or ad groups unless they're performing terribly. Leave your existing campaigns running. Algorithms don't like change, so you don't want to shut down the keywords that have established sales history. Create your new single keyword ad groups inside of your existing campaigns with higher bids than the originals. And in 30 days, when you mine those new search terms out of your report, add those keywords to a scale ad group inside of the same campaign. Your new keywords and ad groups will gain momentum over time and just naturally phase out your old keywords.
Thank you, Cherie, for that incredible training on how not to let constant algorithm changes affect your profitable ads.
You're welcome, Jason, and I hope it gives everyone some great ideas and clarity.
As a reminder, please make sure you download the roadmap provided underneath this video, as this free training series will be going away in a few days and you don't want to miss out. By entering your email below, not only will you get access to the roadmap, but we will also be able to send you a reminder in a few days for when video 3 is released.
In the next video, I'm going to share with you why you need to prioritize lowering your advertising costs and what you should track instead of the standard A costs. It's really about making sure your advertising spend works for you and has the most impact on your business.
Yes, this is really a controversial thing to say, but the truth needs to be told. Ad cost is a myth. It's not an actionable metric.
Yes, that's exactly right, Jason. And in video 3, I'm going to share with you exactly how to manage your campaigns with another key metric that is actually overlooked, that will actually lower your A costs. I can't wait to share this with you.
Check your inbox for video 3 in a few days, and again, make sure to download the roadmap below this video right away. This free training series is going away in a few days and you don't want to miss out.
We'll see you in the next video.